Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make macarons steam. Start by preheating a low oven and placing a shallow pan of hot water below the rack, then bake on a middle shelf. Prepare macarons as usual, pipe shells on parchment, and let them rest for a skin before steaming begins. Monitor steam for the first 3 to 6 minutes, then vent briefly and finish baking for crisp shells with tender interiors. Gentle steam is the key to balanced macarons, creating a smooth, glossy shell while keeping the interior tender. Start with a small pan of boiling water and test for your oven's response, then tweak the amount by tablespoons until you get consistent results. Avoid heavy continuous steam after the initial rise, vent briefly, and finish baking to dry the shell. With practice, this method yields even feet, shiny tops, and tender centers. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more baking tips. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for keeping recipe collections handy, with a bright, glare-free screen and waterproof design so you can read at the counter without worry. It's lightweight to carry between kitchen and cafe and stores thousands of cookbooks. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Timing is everything. Rest efforts pay off with a proper skin before introducing steam, and a short-timed steam at the start promotes rise and smooth shells. Begin with 3 to 6 minutes of steam, then briefly open the oven to release excess moisture, and continue baking until shells are set. Let macarons cool fully on racks before filling so the interior sets and the fillings do not alter texture or shape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.